1.
I'm back again. All right, this time we're going to talk about pre-ride checkout. OUT is the acronym. The first thing you want to do, and this is all day, with your stuff, with everyone else's stuff. As you're sitting behind your buddy, checking out his bike, going, man, that's cool. Look for straps, look for things that are not right. So, is your gear secure and is weight distributed evenly? Oftentimes, after half a day, you're like, dude, your aux pop is like dragging on your chain. It looks like this thing is riding side saddle. You need a bag adjustment. Call that out in the comms. But first thing in the morning, you're gonna be checking your straps. Is everything tight? You have just packed up from camp, so you're gonna be double checking. Did I actually secure my top bag? Whoops, it's not run through my middle bag. I'm gonna run that through. Are my straps all buttoned up and tight, looking good, looking professional, giving things a little bit of a yank to make sure they're tight, and become methodical about this. I do my check the same way every single time. I always start on the kickstand side, and I start at the top. Buckled, 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 buckled on the bottom side here. The middle bag is secure. These two buckles on top are secure. I come around to the other side. Carabiner, which would normally be secure to here. This is buckled, top is buckled, back is buckled, aux pop is buckled, and this is buckled as well. Don't forget there's other gear. You might come to your front.
These straps are super important.
Yes. So these straps here, you're gonna have either regular straps with that are fabric, or you can substitute them with these straps. These straps are a little more flexible, and honestly wear better than the cloth ones. I've worn through the cloth ones with my boot, so just be aware. Is there abrasion happening? Is there wear happening where there might be a fail point? But make sure these are all tight as well, because if it's not pulling the bags forward, they will very happily go off the back and eject itself. And don't forget, if you have other bags, whoops, I didn't secure this. Whatever bags you have, make sure you go through each element of them, become methodical, do it the same way every time, and you're less likely to miss anything. The second is comms. So we all run Cardo InReaches. No, not Cardo InReaches.
Wait, how is OUT comms?
OUT, understood, sorry. Understood. Should I start over?
No, that's good.
All right.
It is comms. It's just, yeah.
Okay, understood. Are comms on, and are you being heard? So we all do Cardo Pack Talk edges. It's your responsibility every night to charge these. If you're turning them on and they're at 25%, they're gonna die halfway through the day. So charge your comms. You should have your helmet on, your comms on, and we do a comm check. Usually the leader will be the one that initiates that, but can everyone hear? Is everyone heard? So we're testing both the headphones and the microphones on each helmet to make sure that we have good comms across the board. Tracking is the T in OUT, and that is your Garmin InReach. So this is another responsibility. If you have one of your own, or if you've been assigned one, got to make sure this is charged, because it does no good for you when you have an emergency and it's dead. So powering it on and enabling tracking mode. That allows Overwatch to know where you are. So if there is an emergency and you're just like, I don't know, I'm in the middle of nowhere, Overwatch says, I have your GPS coordinates. I know exactly where you are because your Garmin is tracking. So make sure that it's tracking, make sure that you charge it, make sure that you turn it off tracking every night, and that you're set up. Also make sure your Gaia tracks are all charged. You have your phone mounted. You should have a power supply to your phone, but make sure you've got your Gaia tracks. Make sure you know where you're going. Don't be the guy that gets lost and is sitting there going, well, I don't know where everyone went. Well, where should you be? And so you want to check your location with the route. Plus, we're an expedition team. We're going to be assigning roles on various days, maybe different roles throughout the day. And one of the days, you're inevitably going to be navigator. So make sure you have the resources and tools to actually navigate, meaning your Gaia, the tracks are there, and you've got a way to actually look at your phone. Because if you're navigating, you don't want to be stopping every 10 minutes to pull your phone out of your pocket to look at the map to see if you're still on course. And that is OUT. That's your pre-ride check.